about buying web hosting and curious if HostGator is the right choice? This HostGator review video is just for you. In this HostGator review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of HostGator web hosting, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, customer support, along with providing you with a website speed and performance test on a fully functioning website using HostGator hosting. I'll also be providing you with an exclusive HostGator hosting discount, getting you up to 76% off plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the HostGator web hosting discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from HostGator at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome HostGator discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit HostGator. Before we dive into features and pricing, let's quickly talk about who HostGator is. HostGator is one of the most well-known web hosting companies in the world. They've been around since 2002 and currently host millions of websites globally. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or someone just getting started online, HostGator offers a wide range of hosting options like shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, reseller hosting, e-commerce hosting, and even dedicated servers. They're especially popular for their beginner-friendly setup, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and 24/7 customer support through live chat and phone. On top of that, they're owned by the same parent company that manages Bluehost, so you're backed by a large network of hosting experience. HostGator has built a reputation for being affordable, easy to use, and reliable, and in this review, I'll show you where they actually live up to that reputation. Alright, now let's break down HostGator's hosting plans, what they cost, and what you actually get for your money. HostGator's most popular option is their shared hosting, which is perfect for beginners or small websites. There are three main plans under this. The Hatchling plan starts as low as $2.99 a month if you pay for a longer term upfront. This plan gives you hosting for 10 websites, 10 GB SSD storage, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Baby plan starts as low as $3.99 a month and lets you host 20 websites, 20 GB SSD storage, and is ideal for 50,000 visits per month. The Business plan starts as low as $5.49 a month. This plan includes 50 websites, 50 GB SSD storage, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Comes with malware detection and removal, domain privacy free for the first year, and daily website backups. Keep in mind, these prices are promotional, so they go up on renewal, which is common across the hosting industry. Here are some of the standout features included with its plans. Free domain for the first year, one-click WordPress installs, free SSL certificates, AI site creation tools, cPanel dashboard for easy site management, unmetered storage and bandwidth, 24/7 365 support via live chat and phone, 30-day money-back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, free site migration tool, free CDN, Cloudflare with Argo routing, and e-commerce tools so you can sell your goods and services with online store. Now that we've covered the HostGator plans, let's talk about domain names because every website needs one, and HostGator makes it easy to get started. When it comes to picking your domain name, HostGator makes the process super flexible. You can register a brand new domain right during checkout, and the best part is you get a free domain name for the first year when you sign up for any annual hosting plan. It's a nice bonus if you're just starting out and want to keep your upfront costs low. Already have a domain name from another provider? No problem. You can connect it to your HostGator account quick and easy so you're not locked into buying a new one. And if you're still brainstorming the perfect name for your site, no worries. HostGator also gives you the option to choose your domain later, so you can secure your hosting plan now and decide on your domain when you're ready. Now let's go over HostGator terms like the billing cycles offered. At checkout, you can select the term for your HostGator hosting plan. HostGator offers a monthly term, a 1-year term, and a 3-year term. You get the cheapest pricing with the 3-year term. Alongside the core hosting plans, HostGator also offers a variety of add-ons that can enhance your site's security, performance, and functionality. These add-ons aren't required, but depending on your goals, they can give your site a more professional, secure, and scalable foundation. Security is a critical part of any website hosting service, and HostGator offers several features to help keep your site safe. First off, all HostGator plans include a free SSL certificate, automatic malware protection, real-time WordPress backups, DDoS protection, two-factor authentication, and advanced user permissions. For additional protection, HostGator offers SiteLock security as an add-on. SiteLock scans your website regularly for malware, protects against hacks, it can automatically fix some security issues before they become a problem. Now let's go over the backend and control panel of HostGator. Once signed up, this is what the HostGator control panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. If you click websites, this will bring you to all the websites you have. Click Edit Site to be taken to the editor where you can make edits and create your site. If you click Settings, this is where you can find all the settings for your site. You see a bunch of options up at the top you can choose from. To access cPanel, click the Advanced tab in the top menu. Scroll down and click Manage next to cPanel. You'll now be taken to the HostGator cPanel page. Creating free email accounts is quick and easy. Just find the email section and click Email Accounts. You can easily create email addresses ending in your domain name. From the cPanel page, if you type Soft Aculus in the search field, click the Soft Aculus Apps Installer. It'll pull up lots of ways you can create your website. Now let's talk about customer support. HostGator offers 24/7 365 customer support, and you can reach them through live chat, phone, or their support portal. If you're more of a do-it-yourself person, HostGator has a pretty solid knowledge base, tons of tutorials, step-by-step guides, and video walkthroughs that cover everything from installing WordPress to configuring email. Let's talk about something that really affects your visitors: site speed and performance. For this test, I used a fully functioning website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average 1.4 seconds, super fast website performance. I also did a performance test, and here are the results with all the different locations. Something to keep in mind is that the server is in the US, so you'll see great performance in the US as it's closest to the data center. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Awesome performance. So is HostGator the right web hosting provider for you? If you're looking for affordable pricing, beginner-friendly tools, and reliable customer support, HostGator is definitely a solid choice, especially if you're just getting started or managing a small to medium-sized website. They offer flexible plans, a free domain, and useful add-ons that make it easy to grow as your site evolves. I hope you enjoyed this HostGator review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more HostGator web hosting tutorial videos.